Hello trader, you know when your trade is going your way in the futures market, but you're afraid the price will reverse completely and wipe out your profits? Well, there's a better way to handle this. That is by taking partial profits. In this video, you will learn how to lock in your profits and reduce the risk of your trade using BlackArrow. Let's jump into the screen. To take a partial profit, you need to be trading more than one contract, okay? So if you enter with only one contract, for example, you can only close your entire position, of course. So imagine that we entered a long position here with 4 contracts, okay? The market has risen. The trade is in profit, as you can see, and we want to take partial profit on half of that position to pocket some of the gains and protect our capital. So let's see how we can do it. The fastest way, okay, to do this in the heat of the trading session is by using the chart trading tool right here. Look at the quantity. Okay, so here we have our open position with 4 contracts, and then we want to cut it in half. So we manually change the quantity we want to close out our position. So in this case, we're gonna put 2 contracts, for example. Now the logic is simple, okay? Since we're long here, to reduce our position, we need to sell, of course. So just click at the sell at market button right here. Then okay, there you go. Now we have only 2 contracts, as you can see here. But what if you want to execute the order at market price and would rather place your partial order at a resistance level or technical target on the chart, okay? It's very easy to do that. So go to the quantity field right here and let's set, for example, 1, because we are with a 2 contract open position, okay? So let's set 1. Then we can hold down the Alt key. Let's press here. Hold down the Alt key, which is the shortcut for sell orders, and position the mouse cursor at the exact price where we want to lock in our profit, okay? So let's set, for example, right here. Then okay. Hey trader, if you want to see more videos like this from trader to trader, click on the card up here. So there you go, you have now a half position here, and it has not been executed yet. So here's the secret of professional traders, okay? As soon as partial positions are executed, take the stop loss. Let me show you. Take the stop loss on the remaining contracts and drag it to your entry price. So here we can drag at the entry price. Of course, here we are with the full position because we have an order up here. Let's just close this one. So let's put it here. Okay, let's see if the market's gonna catch us. There you go. So we already have like 1 contract position open, and if we want to use this golden rule, that is to set up our profits, we have to just click here and drag our stop order right at the enter. So we can click OK, for example, and then drag it to our entry point. Okay, as you can see here. From that moment on, your risk trade is 0, as you can see here. Okay, so if the market goes to our stop loss, we don't lose anything. The worst case scenario, okay, is the market reversing and closing out the remaining contracts at our break even. So it's a golden rule and you can use it. We already secured our profit, for example, from the partial position we did up here. So this is a strategy that most traders use. Well, trading in partial lots is one of the most effective tactics, especially in the strict environment, in the strict rules of the prop trading desks. Okay, so this is a strategy you can use. And if you want to test all these features, you can click in the link down below and download BlackArrow and try it out. Okay, and of course, if this video helped you somehow, please give a thumbs up and turn on the notifications so this way you can see the next videos. See you!